were looking for a bit of a coastal Hamptons feel. Originally we weren't sure if we wanted to go like a dark oak or a light, but then when we found Lifewood and their limed wash oak at the showroom, it really kind of solidified our ideas and the feel that we wanted for our house. So we were pretty happy, and it was a pretty easy decision in the end actually, which was good. My partner Samuel, he's a chippy, so he kind of has the skills, but he's never laid flooring before. So the first few boards, it was a bit tentative, but the straight boards were really easy and it all went together really nicely once he kind of got the flow, which was really good. The herringbone, however, it did take a little bit longer, a little bit more technique to it. He would cut and lay it first, and then I'd like put down the glue, and then we'd relay it just to make sure it was perfect, because it was a little bit more time consuming. Yeah, if you have the skills, you can do it, but if we didn't have Samuel, I definitely wouldn't have been able to do it myself. And so we started out a little bit of an Instagram page called Two Sam's Build for the house. So I'm originally from New South Wales, so it started off as a bit of a page that we could share with my friends and family at home, because I didn't want to have to send photos to everybody all the time. And yeah, it's kind of just grown a little bit from there and have a bit of a following now, which is super fun. And it's lovely to just share photos of your home, and there's quite a good community of like positive support and info out there.